You've heard the term machine learning engineer, perhaps even wondered about the role, but what do they actually do, day in and day out? What skills do they need, and what problems do they solve? Think of them as the architects of smart technology, the masterminds behind the AI-powered features you use every day. They are the ones using data and sophisticated algorithms to build features that make our devices smarter, more intuitive, and ultimately, more helpful. ML engineers turn abstract ideas like facial recognition, something that seems almost magical, or music recommendations, tailored perfectly to your taste, into real, reliable products that we can depend on and enjoy. In today's data-driven world, where information is constantly being generated, their role is exploding in importance, becoming absolutely essential for businesses of all sizes. Every photo you take, every song you stream, or every online purchase you make generates data. And ML engineers build sophisticated systems to find patterns within that data and make that data useful, turning raw information into actionable insights. They're the reason your apps can recommend songs you'll love based on your listening history, filter spam from your inbox, keeping you safe from unwanted messages, or recognize your face for secure access. This isn't just a niche job anymore, tucked away in some corner of the tech world. It's foundational to the next generation of technology, of products and services that will shape our lives in the years to come. Companies need ML engineers to stay competitive in an increasingly intelligent marketplace. And innovate, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with artificial intelligence. They blend software engineering skills, the ability to write clean and efficient code, data science expertise, understanding statistical models and data analysis, and creative problem solving, to turn abstract AI ideas, concepts that exist only in theory, into real-world applications that benefit millions of users every single day. In short, ML engineers are the builders, the construction workers, behind the invisible intelligence powering modern tech, the unsung heroes of the AI revolution. Their work is only becoming more critical as AI continues to permeate every aspect of our lives, as technology evolves at an ever-accelerating pace, and as the demand for intelligent systems continues to grow. Let's break down machine learning. It's not about sentient robots, it's about teaching computers to recognize patterns from data, not explicit rules. Show a computer thousands of cat photos, and it learns what a cat looks like. No need to program every detail. You see machine learning every day. Netflix recommendations, portrait mode on your phone, spam filters, and fraud alerts. It's about learning from past data to make predictions on new data. Like a child learning what a dog is by seeing many dogs, ML models learn from massive datasets. They adjust and improve as they're exposed to more data, making software smarter and more adaptive. This shift from static rules to dynamic learning is what makes machine learning revolutionary, and ML engineers are the ones building these systems. So, what does a machine learning engineer actually build? What tangible things do they create and bring into the world? It's more than just lines of code, it's about crafting intelligent systems. They start by cleaning and preparing massive datasets, often terabytes in size, because good data is everything. The quality of the data directly impacts the performance of the model. Next, they write code, crafting algorithms and defining the architecture of the model, usually in Python, leveraging its rich ecosystem of machine learning libraries, to build and train models, teaching them to recognize patterns and make predictions, tweaking settings to improve accuracy, a process that can take days or even weeks. It's an iterative process, a cycle of experimentation and refinement. Adjust, test, repeat, constantly striving for better performance, like tuning an engine, fine-tuning every parameter for optimal results. Once the model works, they deploy it into real applications, making it accessible to users, often building APIs which act as bridges between the model and other software systems, so apps can use the model instantly. This allows for seamless integration of AI into everyday tools. They ensure these systems are fast, optimizing code and infrastructure for speed, reliable and scalable for millions of users. They build robust systems that can handle massive amounts of traffic, but their job doesn't end at launch. It's an ongoing commitment to performance and reliability. ML engineers monitor models in the real world, tracking their performance and identifying potential issues, watching for model drift as data changes. This ensures the model remains relevant and accurate over time. When accuracy drops, they retrain models with new data to keep them sharp. This is crucial for maintaining the model's effectiveness. It's a continuous cycle, a never-ending quest for improvement. Build, deploy, monitor, improve. Their work keeps smart features running smoothly, ensuring a seamless user experience. Without them, your favorite tech wouldn't be nearly as smart. They are the unsung heroes of the AI revolution. They're the engine behind the scenes, powering the intelligent systems that are transforming our world. ML engineers aren't just in big tech anymore, they're everywhere. Tech giants like Google and Amazon rely on them for search recommendations and voice assistance. Finance and insurance use ML to detect fraud, automate trading, and set premiums. Retail and e-commerce personalize shopping, manage logistics, and optimize stores with ML. Healthcare uses it for early disease detection, automotive for self-driving cars, entertainment for content recommendations. Any industry with lots of data needs ML engineers. This means you can work in almost any field you're passionate about. The demand is huge and growing. ML engineers have more career options than ever before. Let's talk salary. ML engineers are among the best paid in tech. In the US, entry-level roles start around $100,000, $140,000, with mid-level and senior roles reaching $200,000 plus. Top tech hubs like Silicon Valley offer even higher compensation, especially with bonuses and stock. Europe and India also offer strong salaries, adjusted for local economies. Specialized skills like NLP or computer vision can boost your pay even more. Startups may offer equity, while big companies provide higher base salaries and benefits. The demand far outpaces supply, so compensation is very attractive worldwide. It's a lucrative, future-proof career. Intrigued by the world of machine learning? Does the idea of building intelligent systems excite you? Here's a breakdown of what you need to become a successful ML engineer. We'll cover the essential skills and knowledge areas to help you embark on this exciting career path. First and foremost, start with strong programming skills. A solid foundation in programming is absolutely crucial. Python is essential. It's the lingua franca of machine learning. This is thanks to powerful libraries like NumPy, which is fundamental for numerical computing. Pandas for data manipulation and analysis is also key. TensorFlow, a robust framework for building and training machine learning models, and PyTorch, another popular and flexible deep learning framework, are vital tools in your arsenal. Solid software engineering skills are also key for deploying models effectively and efficiently. Understanding how to integrate your models into real-world applications is essential. You'll also need a good grasp of math. It's the foundation upon which many machine learning algorithms are built. This includes linear algebra, which is crucial for understanding how algorithms manipulate data, and calculus, which helps you understand the optimization processes behind model training. And of course, statistics, which is essential for understanding data distributions and evaluating model performance. But don't worry, you don't need to be a math genius to succeed in machine learning. Just understand the basics and why they matter in the context of the models you're building. Get hands-on with data. It's where the real learning happens. Learn to clean, manipulate, and visualize it effectively to gain insights and prepare it for modeling. Practice with real machine learning frameworks by building projects that solve tangible problems. While a bachelor's in computer science or a related field is common, it's not the only path. A strong project portfolio showcasing your skills and experience can be just as valuable, if not more so. Advanced degrees can be helpful for research-oriented roles, but they aren't typically required for most industry positions. Ultimately, the best way to learn and demonstrate your abilities is to build things. Show potential employers that you can turn abstract ideas into working ML applications that deliver real value. Employers are looking for proof that you can solve real-world problems using machine learning techniques. So focus on gaining practical experience, continuously building new projects, and expanding your skill set. The journey to becoming a successful ML engineer is a continuous learning process. What's the career path for an ML engineer? You'll start in a junior role, learning the ropes and working on parts of bigger projects. As you gain experience, you'll lead larger projects, make key decisions, and mentor others. You might specialize in areas like computer vision or NLP, becoming the go-to expert. From there, you can stay technical, moving up to staff or principal engineer, or shift into management. Managers lead teams and set strategy. Technical experts solve the hardest problems. The field is growing fast with new research and techniques emerging constantly. Demand for ML engineers is only increasing as more industries adopt AI. It's a career of lifelong learning, innovation, and impact. If you're curious and love solving problems, it's a future-proof path.